Let's talk today about tartar that sticks to the teeth, about dental plaque, and a very useful remedy, a mouthwash that you can make at home. After using this mouthwash, the tartar will reduce, and with regular use, it will be eliminated forever. The bacteria in the mouth are protected by our immune system and our antibiotics. To avoid being eaten, they form biofilms around them, or you can say that they form small calcium houses to live in. In these houses, in these biofilms, these bacteria remain safe. This is their survival mechanism. And because of these calcium houses, our immune system is not able to detect them, and they are able to survive for a longer period of time, not only in our body but also outside. 95% of the bacteria remain by forming biofilms. If you go to a river and pick up a stone lying there, it is slimy. It slips from the hand. There is a slip. The reason for this is the presence of biofilms on this stone. You will find biofilms everywhere, especially where there is water, as it is in your saliva. They need water and sugar for nourishment. Due to the overabundance of these biofilms, they become more prevalent, causing a smell to emanate from your mouth. There is inflammation of the gums. Blood starts coming from the gums. Due to the accumulation of too much plaque in the teeth, one has to visit the dentist and get it removed. But if you take this easy mouthwash, which you can make at home, and use it regularly, you can manage it easily. The first ingredient is baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. So what happens is that when these biofilms increase in the mouth, the bacteria living in them start producing a lot of acid. These reduce your mouth pH level and low pH level, especially 3.5 to 5.5 level of pH decalcification. The cause becomes that the calcium comes out of the bones and teeth and starts coming into the system. It starts coming into the body, and then these bacteria use this calcium for their housing. Calcium deficiency occurs in the teeth, and due to this deficiency, cavities start occurring in the teeth. So it is very important that the pH level in the mouth should be kept neutral. In the last video, I have mentioned that eating too much sugar and blood sugar levels remain disturbed also causes acidity in the body. More acid is formed because you are giving these favorite food to these bacteria, which is sugar. For their survival, you are creating a favorable environment, and as a result, they start forming more acid. Baking soda increases the pH level, makes it alkaline, breaks the colonies of these bacteria, and naturally, your sodium bicarbonate is present in the saliva. So it can be said that its use virtually has no side effect. So, take 1/4 of a teaspoon, half to half a teaspoon of baking soda. And one more thing you need is 3% hydrogen peroxide. This is the brown solution which you will get from any pharmacy. Again, it destroys these bacterial biofilms, is antifungal, especially Candida yeast. And the interesting thing is that hydrogen peroxide is also naturally found in your saliva. Your cells use this major compound to kill bacteria. So here it is talking about putting those things in the body in a little higher quantity, which is already being made by your body. It is already present in the body. It's also 1/4 of a teaspoon, half to half a teaspoon, and 1/4 of a teaspoon baking soda. Mix these two in half a cup of water and use it as a mouthwash after brushing with normal toothpaste for 30 seconds. Let it stay in the mouth and spit it out. This will prevent tartar from accumulating on your teeth, restore the shine of your teeth, make your teeth look normal, and eliminate the problem of bad breath. Recently, a research came out on vitamin K2, which is a bit mixed up, but there is a deep relationship between vitamin K2 and the accumulation of tartar on the teeth. The reason is that vitamin K2, which works along with vitamin D3, prevents decalcification. It keeps the calcium in your teeth and bones, removes calcium from soft tissues and sends it to the bones, does not allow it to enter the system, and these bacteria do not use this calcium to build their housing society. I will make a video on vitamin K2 very soon. Subscribe so that more videos can reach you. Apart from this, if you eat chewing gum to avoid bad breath, then try to find xylitol chewing gum. It is difficult to find and expensive. It has anti-biofilm properties. It prevents bacteria from sticking to the teeth. Apart from this, you can use clove, oregano oil if available, rosemary oil. Rosemary is a herb, which is very less used here. It has antimicrobial properties. After that, turmeric and cinnamon. Use cinnamon in food. Definitely do it. A great phytonutrient curcumin is found in them, which is extremely important. Has antioxidant properties. Protects from diabetic nephropathy. Reduces the complications of sugar. So these are my recommendations to avoid dental plaque. That's all for in this video. Thank you.